Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili chicken. First, prepare your chicken by cutting it into 1-inch pieces. Marinate these pieces with a blend of soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, take this time to gather and chop all your other ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. This preparation is key to a delicious outcome. Next, it's time to fry the chicken. Heat about 2 cups of oil in a wok or a large, deep pan over medium-high heat. Carefully add the marinated chicken pieces in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each batch until the chicken is beautifully golden brown and cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once fried, remove the chicken and place it on a wire rack or paper towels to drain any excess oil. Now let's create that irresistible chili sauce. In a clean pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté minced garlic, ginger, and chopped green chilies until fragrant. Add diced onions and bell peppers, cooking until they soften slightly. Pour in a mixture of soy sauce, chili sauce, and a touch of vinegar and sugar. Bring this to a gentle simmer. Finally, stir in a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce to your desired consistency, ensuring it coats the back of a spoon. For the grand finale, add your crispy fried chicken pieces directly into the simmering chili sauce. Toss everything together gently, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated in the rich, flavorful sauce. Cook for just 1 or 2 minutes more, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish generously with freshly chopped spring onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds before serving hot. This chili chicken is perfect with steamed rice or noodles. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.